lesson number 12. The 12th lesson is spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru, meaning spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru is the teacher in the science of self or brahma vidya or spirituality or adhyatmikata. The spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru is the Shrotriya Brahmanishta guru, which means the guru who is well versed in the holy spiritual scriptures as well as who himself has attained moksha or liberation of soul or self realization or God realization and is established in the Brahman or God. Necessity. We need a teacher to learn mathematics. The teacher in mathematics knows the theory as well as he can solve the questions or problems in mathematics. We need a teacher to learn tailoring. A teacher in tailoring is one who knows theoretically how to stitch a shirt from the piece of cloth and also who can practically stitch the shirt. Without a teacher, we cannot learn mathematics or tailoring. Similarly, we need a spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru who knows the paths of spirituality, that is yoga and Vedanta, and also who himself has walked in the path of spirituality, who has practiced the yoga and has achieved God realization. The necessity of a spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru in the field of spirituality cannot be overemphasized. A spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru is absolutely necessary for everyone on the spiritual path. Importance. The path of spirituality is not like learning mathematics or tailoring or doing any academic course. Our holy scriptures and our saints and sages say that spiritual science is a special path in which we need the initiation into a path that is most suitable to us, to be decided by the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru and also his spiritual instructions for proceeding on the said path and performing sadhana or spiritual practices. The spiritual path is said to be full of critical intricacies, problems and pitfalls at each and every step. Therefore, the disciple needs guidance and help of the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru at each and every step in the path in order to overcome the difficulties, intricacies, problems and pitfalls faced by the disciple. Without the guidance and help of the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru, he is most likely to fall down in the path and cannot reach the goal of self-realization or God realization. It is also stated in our holy scriptures that the grace or kripa of the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru is needed by the disciple in order to achieve success in the path of spirituality. Hence, the importance of the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru in the science of self-knowledge or spirituality or adhyatmikata is of most importance. What are the benefits? By having our spiritual preceptors, we can know the spiritual path correctly. We can get from our spiritual preceptors the needed guidance and help us at each and every step in the spiritual path so that we can be able to overcome the difficulties, intricacies, problems and pitfalls faced by us while proceeding in the said path. Also, we can get his grace or kripa in our spiritual sadhana and thereby we can achieve the supreme goal of human life, that is our destination, safely and quickly. To know more about the spiritual preceptor or adhyatmika guru, the necessity of adhyatmika guru, Please study the lesson number 13 on spiritual preceptor or Adhyatmika Guru in volume number 12 of the book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life, written by Swami Sivananda Saraswati and Swami Chidananda Saraswati. Here ends lesson number 12 on spiritual preceptor or Adhyatmika Guru.